Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Life with Lobisa here, back with another video. If you're new here, my name is Lobisagyau. I'm a South African living in the States, and I create content right here in the little space of the internet called YouTube. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure the bell is on so that you're notified anytime I drop a video. Make sure to hit the like button, you guys. Comment down below if you can. Really appreciate you all. If you're new here, I welcome you, welcome you, welcome you. I'm happy to have you here. Make sure you tell your auntie, your uncle, everybody in your family that they should come and subscribe to Life with Lobisa out here. So tonight, you guys, I'm trying to do my hair because the good news is I had to cut my hair because the relaxer that I had on my hair messed me up, y'all, and I tried so hard to keep up, but I could not. So I'm trying to fix a wig on my hair. This is an old wig that I had, and I'm trying to make sure that I install it tonight because tomorrow is Sunday and we are having our Christmas Sunday service because Christmas is on Wednesday and no one's gonna be at church on Wednesday. So yeah, trying to install this right now so that tomorrow morning I won't have to deal with so much trying to get the kids ready and trying to get myself ready. That will be a lot if I had to do the hair tomorrow morning. I hope you all are having a great and an amazing holiday season. Don't stress out, you all. It's just one day. Don't bend the credit cards, you all. It is just one day. Enjoy the season because Jesus at the end of the day is the reason for the season. Yeah, I think you all are understanding that this season is really hectic. Everybody wants something, everybody wants to show some love to somebody, but it's not by force, you guys. Don't let the pressure of the season take you over. Just do what you can. Most importantly, enjoy your family, enjoy your friends. Don't stress out too much. Don't drink and drive. Don't be outside when you don't have to be. I just pray that you'll be at the right places at the right time. So yeah, let's get this hair installed. Good morning. Yo guys, I'm tired. I'm still tired, guys. Look at my eyebrows. I tried fixing them. I'm gonna work on this one just now. Oh, they are better than that nyopi that this girl did on my face. But anyway, good morning. It's a Sunday morning. Trying to get ready. I want this video to go out today. I'm struggling, y'all. The allergies. I'm struggling. But I did my hair last night, which helps a lot. I don't know where my tripod is, but I'm about to get ready. Today it's our Christmas Sunday because Christmas is on Wednesday, I think. So we will not be going to church on Wednesday. My church prefers you be with family on Christmas Day. So today will be our Christmas celebration together as a church. So yeah, let me get ready. I missed out on a lot of stuff.
sorry guys, I missed out on bowling. We had the volunteer bowling party, and on Saturday, was it yesterday or Friday, we had the Christmas party at church, and I couldn't go, guys. Anyway, there'll be another one, so let's go. So guys, I'm about to wash my face. I wanted to share with you this turmeric soap. It's so good. I remember I had spots here. I don't know if you can hear me okay. I remember I had spots on my nose because I had these pimples that were attacking me, and I had black spots. So anytime I put makeup, I'll have to put a concealer, an orange concealer, to like cover them up. But this girl cleared them up, and I'm so happy. I love it. I will use it for my whole body right now. I'll show you the brand. I'll just put it here. They did not pay for it, but it's fine. Let me put you this way. I love it. So what I do, I rub it on my hands, and you guys, it's yellow. It's yellow. I rub it on my hands. Oh, Jesus. My Lord. If you know who that is, comment down below. My Lord. So after that, I just leave it on my face for a little bit. Oh, I had it again in my eye. Look at that. And one thing I like about it, after I wash my face does not dry like any other soaps that I've used. Usually, if I use any other soaps, this face will dry up, guys. It will be so dry, and I hated that for myself. So let's see what's happening with the hair, because last night I was just so exhausted with trying to make it make sense on this hair. Okay, darlings. Let me wipe the glue. Yeah. It came out beautifully. This wig, I bought it from Amazon a long time ago. And when it came, I was so upset because the lace is not lacing. Like the knots, you can't even plug them nicely. They are just hard. They're just like that. I would say maybe it was handmade. It was handmade because of the way. Even right now, when you open the line, you still see the knots. And I tried plugging it. I didn't get anywhere with that. I did not get any way with it. So I just decided, okay, it is what it is. That is why it was 100 and something, maybe. Because they knew that, hey, couldn't do it. I could write, so that's fine though, guys. One thing about being black, you will have a long hair the next day. Guys. What will you say about my thing, man? What can I say? I'm in love. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. So I'm gonna get ready. I'll show you the fit, and then we're gonna head out to church, my loves. I miss my church because I didn't go to church last week because I was not feeling well. The other week I was the one not feeling well. It's like the enemy is just playing games. Like he's playing games. You. Let's get this done. Hold on, wait. Look at the face. Just look at the face, guys. I need to put my makeup on that. Look at it. When I tell you those black spots here, And I had more because I was just popping pimples out of nowhere. But yo, Jabuli this sham. All I have to do is to use the spray to manage this parts of my hair, and then yeah, I think I'm good to go. Okay, Merry Christmas, y'all. Let's get ready. Sweater, I think I'm gonna wear it, and I'm gonna wear it with this skirt. This is a silver metallic shine skirt. I'm hoping that it's not too short. And I will wear a white shirt inside, collar shirt, and then I'm gonna wear my boots. Let me show you. I'm gonna wear these babies and a stocking. I need to dust them off, guys. I don't wear them much and I miss them. They were missing for almost the last year winter, but I'm gonna wear this. Guys, I've just, oh Jesus, I have just finished with my showering and everything. I don't even think I need the pencil, but let me bring it closer. I don't think I need much of drawing here because this has already okay. Oh, that don't make noise.
Hi. Yo, are you bathing?
No, I'm doing my makeup.
Guys,
I don't think I need too much of it because I'm just gonna also go with what do you think, guys? I think I have to increase the volume on the sides. The volume is teeny. I'm just gonna go over them with, guys, look at my skin. Look at my color. Look at my skin and appreciate God. Eh? Hey! So another song, what is oil?
Why does it look chunky?
What is chunky? My lotion. That's why I said use the other one. Use the other one, boy. Guys, my family, they are so loud in the morning, so I'm gonna leave you for now. I'll be back. Guys, we are going to church. The way it's cold, I had to close my shirt. So let's go, my darling. This makeup is not makeuping, guys. I don't know what happened. Just left Ross and we are at McDonald's to pick up some food and go back to work. So Ross is a mess, guys. Everywhere is everybody. It's crazy, but we had a great time at church, you guys. It was awesome. It was great. Like, God is my main man. So yeah, let's go through this drive-thru, then we'll go back to the store.
The way this drive-through is going slow, guys. I'm still stuck here. Let's see how long it's gonna take before they can move. Thank you.
Mom.
Oh, Lord! Because already I told them no sleepover. No sleepover. No sleepover.
I even texted you.
I'm trying to prepare for the holidays. I don't have time to be checking on.
He even texted his mom on your phone, and his mom said yes.
Hey, I'm well, thank you. Can I get some ketchup, please? Okay, that's fine. What is it, Mom?
My happy meal.
Thank you. You too, sir. Take Mama. Let's hit the road.
Smells so good.
I know. And don't think that you are going to.
What's going on over there?
Why the light was off?
What light? Oh, we just got so light all of a sudden.
And what's going on here? Because we want to go. Oh my God.
I wanna go home. I wanna go.
Here we go. Officer.
I know he mad.
I know. Maybe he was speeding.
I don't know.
Why you want to come to my car when? Are you crazy? Things that are happening. That other car is exploded. And this one,